In this video, we're going to learn about 5 JFR tools. The first one, Circle Curve. This option allows you to toggle the diameter or the radius of the circle generated. When I set it to diameter mode, the value entered here is the diameter of the circle. This adjusts the number of control points for the circle curve. The right side determines where the 0 point is generated. The last option is the position of the seam point. It's also one of the more commonly used options. Turn on the control points and you can see that the seam points are placed downwards. Right-click to close the control point. The right-click tool is the Rhino Circle. Press Shift and the right mouse button. You can see the macro of commands here, which have been modified for you in advance. Right-click. It creates a circular curve in any position. And it's parameterized uniformly. Then the next tool. Let's move on to the Single Curve Rectangle tool. Click on the icon and follow the command prompt. First, you need to click on a position to generate the curve. If the location is the center of the world, you can enter the number 0. Then press Enter to confirm. Enter the width and height of the rectangle in the command prompt. A single curved rectangle can be generated. This rectangle can be adjusted by turning on the control points, or combine it with the curve drawing tools for editing. For example, drawing a profile of a pendant ribbon. This rectangle can also be placed wherever you want, because sometimes the center of the world can be obscured by other objects. Next tool. Close Curve tool. Drawing a curve. Previously, we closed it during the drawing process, or you can close the curve with a new tool, like this. Now I'm going to make this curve open. Open curves require 2 control points to be selected. So we need to open the control points and then use the open curve. To select both control points, it is also possible to open the curve at other positions. Moving on to the next tool. Join Curves tool is also very useful. First, draw a curve with the Simple Curve tool. Most of the time we'll offset the curve, but I'll review the previous knowledge. Hold down Control and the left mouse button to create another curve. Now I'm going to join the 2 curves. Click on the position where you want to join the curves. The curve continues from here to the right side. The connected curves are selected by default. So just click on the opening on the right. Press space to create it. So how do we create a right angle? Click twice on the connectors. Clicking once is an arc, clicking twice is a right angle. Here the default is already clicked once, so just click again. Finally, click on Close. Press space to generate. Moving on to the options in the command prompt. If this option is turned on, then after a new curve is generated, the original curve will be deleted. Sometimes we may accidentally click twice. Then we can click Undo in the command prompt to undo it. That's all there is to this video. If this video is helpful to you, please like, share this video and subscribe to us. See you next time.